In this short video, we'll be discussing gerunds and gerund phrases. What is a gerund? A gerund is a verb plus ing form that acts like a noun. So we can find gerunds anywhere in a sentence where a noun can be found. For example, subject, object, after a preposition, and anywhere else where we can find a noun. Gerunds are used to refer to abstract ideas and actions, and therefore they're used frequently in academic writing where the ideas are more complex. So let's look at a very simple example. Writing is difficult. So writing is the ing form. It's a subject of this sentence, and writing is a gerund. What is a gerund phrase? A gerund phrase is a gerund and the objects and other modifiers that follow it. So for example, writing in a second language is difficult. So we have writing in a second language. This is a gerund phrase. We have the gerund writing, and then we have this prepositional phrase that gives us more information about writing. And this together forms the gerund phrase. We know that this is the subject of the sentence because we have the main verb right here, is. So we're saying that this, writing in a second language, is difficult. And that's just a little bit about gerunds and gerund phrases.